Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll sign in first and head straight to Contacts. Google, so you can act now. Once signed in, make sure you're in the correct account by checking the avatar top right because Contacts live per account. If you open Gmail, click the Apps grid then Contacts to get the same view. This reduces confusion and prevents duplicates. Now that you're in, look at the left menu for Labels and Create Contact. Those are your immediate tools to add, import, or organize entries. You'll add or import contacts depending on scale. Click Create Contact for single entries and fill name, phones, emails, and notes. This makes dialing and searching faster. Once done, import a CSV or vCard for bulk moves. Choose the correct column mapping so phones and emails land in the right fields. Use labels to group people, work, family, and merge and fix duplicates to avoid confusion. Also, star frequent contacts so they appear at the top when you need them quickly. Once your list is ready, make sure Contact Sync is enabled so entries appear on other devices. Go to Google Account Settings and Device Sync options to confirm. You can export a label or entire list as CSV/vCard to share or backup, and add collaborators by sharing exported files or using a shared Google Sheet workflow. If items go missing, check you're in the right account, run merge and fix for duplicates, and re-import with corrected CSV mapping to restore missing fields.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.